Hi besties, did you make white rice and stew? And because of too much enjoyment, your stew is now finished and you still have a lot more rice remaining. Let me show you what you can do with that leftover rice. Do not panic, just watch. We are going to turn this rice into a concoction Chinese rice, or what some people will call egg rice. For preference, I use sausages and eggs for this recipe, but chicken breast and some prawns can do justice to it as well. The first thing I did was cooked up my sausages and cut them into tiny bits. Then I went ahead to crack some eggs. I think I used about 8 eggs for this recipe. No need to beat the eggs because we're going to scramble them all up in the oil at the end of the day. The next thing I did was add some oil to my pan, and I used coconut oil for this. No reason at all, just my preference. And I went ahead to add the eggs and started scrambling them. And as you can see, the eggs are ready, and I took them off the heat, added some more oils and added my onions as well, and fried the onions until they fragrance. Then I added the sausages and started frying as well. I continued frying that sausages until they are almost golden brown, and I went ahead to add some mixed vegetables, and I also continued frying. I went ahead and added some salt for taste and also added some garlic. This is the point you want to add whatever spice or herbs you want to add. I went ahead to add some thyme as well and some black pepper. Then I kept on mixing and stirring everything as it was frying and making sure everything marinates together, to give you that flavorful taste. I then went ahead to add my nut cubes, and yeah, I kept on stirring as well. You want to make this fried, both the vegetables and the sausages. Then I went ahead to add some pepper, some fresh peppers, added some soy sauce to this. Now the soy sauce is what transformed this white rice to the beautiful color you desire. I went ahead to add some oyster sauce as well. This is a game changer. Very, very wonderful. Now you can see that my fry is now golden color, and I went ahead to add my rice. Don't mind the spaghetti there. That was just some leftover spaghetti, and I decided to just join everything together. No waste in my house. Anyways, now I kept on frying, stirring while making sure it doesn't get burnt. And I went ahead to add some green onions, also known as spring onions. I also added some more onions, and then finally added the eggs that I scrambled earlier, and kept on giving this a thorough mix. Like, I kept on stirring and mixing until everything was properly marinated. As you can see, look at that beauty. Now, this thumbs up means the food is ready. Just look at the beauty of this deliciousness. Leziano de color. Very beautiful, very delicious, very yummy. Anyways, I went ahead and dished some. My husband couldn't stop eating. My kids, they kept on asking for more. This is it, guys. This is how you convert your plain white rice, leftover rice, into a beautiful concoction Chinese rice or egg rice. Anyways, if you're not following this page, please follow my page, share my videos, and thank you for watching. Bye.